Genius School, we believe in hands-on learning that sparks curiosity and encourages problem solving. Over the last 2 weeks, we took on an exciting challenge to design and build heat retention systems. This project was a journey into science, engineering, and teamwork.
This project began with an investigation into heat transfer. We explored how heat moves through conduction, convection, and radiation, and tested the insulating properties of materials like foil, cloth, paper, and plastic. This hands-on experiment helped us understand the science behind keeping things warm.
There are 3 ways that heat transfers. 2 of them start with the same letter. That letter is the 3rd letter in the alphabet. Tell the people at your table, remind them what the 3 ways of heat transfer are.
Next, we embraced the engineering design process. We brainstormed ideas, sketched their systems, and created detailed plans. Each group decided on materials and listed supplies needed for construction.
Armed with our designs and materials, we worked together to bring our heat retention systems to life. After building, we tested our systems by measuring temperature changes over time. This was a chance to see our ideas in action.
Engineering doesn't end at the first test. Using the data we collected, we refined our designs, making adjustments to improve our system. This process taught us the value of analyzing results and trying again.
This project taught us so much about how science and engineering work together. We didn't just learn about heat, we experienced it. We tested, built, and improved, and by the end, we felt like true engineers.
At the Genius School, we explore, create, and discover. This project was just one of many ways we use hands-on learning to make science come alive.
Shout out to Purdue University for the equipment. Boiler up!